Hello everyone, welcome to pantechelearning. Today let's see about how to install and import Pytesseract. Pytesseract is an engine used to perform optical character recognition, that is, to extract text out of images and paste it wherever you want. So let's get started. This Pytesseract installation part is kind of a bit complex, so please don't skip any part of this video to install it properly without getting any error. Let's get started. So the first step in the installation part is to go to your browser and download Pytesseract. Let me just open my browser and here type exactly like Tesseract UB Mannheim. If you type this and search, you will get the first link, a GitHub link. Go inside it and inside of it find the readme file. And here you can find two links, one for Windows, another one for Linux or Mac. I am going to go inside for Windows. So here you have two links. So based on your system requirement, you can select either 32-bit or 64-bit. And if you click this, it will start downloading. So I already have downloaded it. So after you download it, go to the folder where you have downloaded it. So you will find this after downloading. So click it. And it's done. So let's select the language as English. Okay, then click next. I have to agree for the license. And then click next. Install anyone using this computer. So we have the components to install. This is like there's already selected things are enough. If like these things will help you to recognize the English text in the image. If you are going to like recognize any other language, you have to click this additional script data, and here you have many languages. And if you need anything, you can just click on it, like Malayalam or Tamil. If you need any of this, you can Telugu, you can click, and then you have to click next. So you have to copy this path. This is very important. You have to know where it is. So copy this path. We will be using it later on. Then you have to click next and then click install. So it will install. Okay, then click next and finish. That's it. For now it is over. So now let's go to our Anaconda Navigator first to install Tesseract. So in Anaconda Navigator, this will be your home page, and go inside the environments and go inside the base root, click this and click open terminal. This will open the terminal, Anaconda terminal. So here you have to use the command pip install Pytesseract. And since I already downloaded it, it will show like requirement already satisfied. Make sure you do this step. Then after this you have to go inside of Jupyter. I am going to use Jupyter here, and let's get started. Actually, let's import Pytesseract. Import Pytesseract. I'm going to run this. Yeah, it ran properly. So now the thing is, here in Pytesseract you have to mention the path of the Pytesseract. So for this we have to go and find the path of it actually. So let's go. We have copied a path, right? You have to paste it and click enter. You can find it, and this is the path where it is downloaded. So in this path you have like many files inside the Tesseract OCR folder, and in this you have to like find the .exe file, tesseract.exe. This is main. You have to copy the path of this. You have to enter it to run the Tesseract. So copy this. You have to mention the name and the extension .exe also there. Let me just show you there. Go inside of it. To mention the path, you have to use this command. You have to like type Pytesseract .tesseract _cmd equal to like you have to mention the path here. I'm going to mention under quotation, I'm going to paste the path, and with that I have to mention the name. It is, what is it? Tesseract.exe. So without, if we don't need any error, we have to mention the raw string R, and here please do this. If you want to skip any error, you have to mention like double backslash in the place, and let's run. Yeah, it ran properly. So we have mentioned the command, the path of the Tesseract. So we can now import any image and we can extract with the help of text in the image with the help of Pytesseract. To import any image, we have to use CV2, which is nothing but OpenCV. Let's import CV2. Import CV2. If you don't have this, you can install with the help of the command. In the Anaconda Navigator terminal, you have to type like pip install OpenCV Python. If you don't have this, you can use this command, use it in terminal. Now let's import the image. I am going to create a variable img, and I am going to use cv2.imread to open an image. I am going to enter a path of image. I have a sample image here. This is practice.jpg. I am going to copy the path. I am going to paste it. Practice.jpg. It's a raw string, and let's run. Yeah, it ran properly. So let's visualize the image first. So cv2.imshow. Like we should create a name like say window, then img. And we have to do this command also, cv2.wait key 0 and cv2.destroy all windows. And if I run this, yeah, this window opened and we can see an image with some kind of text. So we need to copy this text. Let's use Pytesseract. Let me just open it. Okay, I will just close the window first, and yeah, now let's use Pytesseract to open image. So to find that, I am going to create a variable known as text. Text is equal to Pytesseract. We are going to call that engine dot. You have to type the command as, let's see, we having an image and we are going to convert it into a string. It is nothing but text string format. So I am going to click image to string, and in that you have to pass the image. We are having the image in img variable. So I am going to pass this image, and let me run. Yeah, it ran properly. So now the text variable has the text inside it. Let's see this. I am going to print the text here. Yeah, it recognized the text. It has some kind of like improper things, but yeah, it worked somewhat good. Yeah, that's it. That's the use of Pytesseract. I hope you guys have learned how to install the Pytesseract properly. Make sure don't skip any part of this video and install it properly. That's it for today, and thank you very much.